In this video, we're going to talk about the new Inkling-Small. So, Thinking Machines Lab has introduced Inkling-Small, a small and a more efficient version of its Inkling AI model. So, Inkling-Small is an open-weight, multimodal AI model that can work with text, images, audios. Okay, it's built at a mixture of experts model with 276 billions of total parameters, of which 12 billions are active. So the main idea behind these Inkling model is simple. Like they deliver performance close to the much larger Inkling model, which offering a better trade-off between cost, speed, and performance. So one of the biggest takeaway of this is that its multimodal capabilities. So it can understand text, images, audios, which makes it useful for a wide range of AI applications. And it also supports like controllable thinking efforts, like allowing developers to choose um, which like how much computations the model uses, depending on whether they want faster response or a stronger reasoning. And also another important aspect is that it is open weight, which means that developers can download and customize the model rather than being limited to a closed AI service. So if you go to the Thinking Machines website, you can like it's available through the Tinker, which is the Thinking Machines Labs platform, where you can like use it and fine tune it from their own for your applications and stuff. So you can try on Clinker. So if you go to the official Thinking Machines website here on their platform, and you can click on try on Tinker, so this will take you to access it. So it's actually a small interesting step towards making powerful multimodal AI more efficient and accessible, which you can try and give it a go.